Today, as I have told you, we are starting with our subject, that is English language, with this grammar book, grammar magic book number 4. In this, I have told you before with the content given here. According to the content, the first lesson is alphabetical order. So in this alphabetical order, what we are going to learn? I have sent you one of the video related to this before. With some more example, I am going to tell you about this order, how we have to place the words in proper order with the alphabets. So according to this, I have explained you with more example. What I have made for you, I am going to explain you from this page. Little bit I am going to take from this also for your more better understanding. So as you know, what is alphabet? Yes, alphabet, ABCD, what you write and learn is a alphabet, consists of vowels and consonant. So only a simple thing, right from your nursery you are learning your ABC, and that only we have to learn today, because you cannot say that it is in our early classes we have learned and what is the use of ABC now. No, whenever you are learning, it is up to your any standard you go, you will have to remember the proper order of this ABCD, and that only we are going to learn here. So students, now see, alphabetical order, this is our topic today, which is given in this book, and from here I am going to tell you about the proper order of the words, how we have to place them in a proper order. Some of the words we have taken from this book, that was catch, match. So how we have put this in a proper order, what should come first, catch or a match? This we have learned in the last period. Some examples I am going to take new. So please be attentive and see this, what I am going to tell. Alphabetical order. So what is alphabetical order? As I have told you, you have to write ABC. You know two types of ABC we know, capital and small. Here we are going to just write a small letter ABC. That is, you can see from A, B, C, D I have written up to Z. In the same way we have to write in your notebooks. So for your practice, and you will be able to arrange the words in a proper alphabetical order. A student learn to put words in some order as ABC. So you have to just write this A to Z. Everybody know, I think, to write ABCD in a proper order. So do that. For this, they need to know the English alphabet order very well. Yes, while writing this, you have to remember the proper order of A, B, C, D. See, after A, B is there, after B there is C. So this is a proper order. You cannot write F after A or else G after A. No, you have to write A, B, C, D in a proper order, what we write always. Let's have a look at the English alphabet. So let's have a look at the English alphabet. So these alphabets are English alphabet. Once again, so you see properly how the alphabets are written. We observe all the letters are in a particular order. Yes, when we write this, we can observe that the alphabets are in a particular order. That are known as ABCD order. This is the proper ABCD order or alphabetical order. So up till here, I think you have understood how to write the ABCD. Next, we are going to look with the examples. See, some example I have given of my own. I am going to explain it through this example. So some words are there. You may say the names of things or animals, anything, fruits, animal, anything, whatever you want, you can write with the names. I have taken example 1. Name are deer, balloon, apple, cat. Once again I am going to read deer, balloon, apple, cat. Now everybody know what is deer, name of an animal. Balloon, you know, you play with a balloon. So this is a balloon. Apple, everybody eat apple, and cat, I think everybody know. These are the known words to you. So what we have to do with this given words? This list is not an alphabetical order to arrange. So these are the words, but I think they are not in alphabetical order. So how can you say that they are not in alphabetical order? Yes, one thing you have to do, you have to just underline the first alphabet of each word. See, you can see the first alphabet of this word is D. So we have underlined this D. Next, this is balloon. So the first alphabet is B. Here you can see apple. The first alphabet is A. And in this cat, you can see the first alphabet, that is C. In this way, we have just underlined the first letter of this words. So this list is not an alphabetical order. So you cannot say, because see, whenever we see the alphabetical order, you can see A is first, then B, then C, then D. But when we see here, see, you can see D, B, A, C. So this is not a proper order. As I told you, we have to look at the first word, the word that begins with the letter A. So in this, you have to find letter A. Can you see a letter A here? With an underlined letter we have to see, not other letters. The first one, yes, we got it, A. As we know, alphabet start with a ABCD. So A is the first alphabet for alphabetical order. So we have found the A here. So you know it comes first, followed by the word that begins with B. See, A is first, then B. So first we have found A here. So what we have to do? You have to just find out alphabet A. If you want, you can put number 1 upon this. After that, what is the alphabet? We can see, yes, B. We have to search for an alphabet that is B. See, we have found this alphabet. Yes, B is there. Any word beginning with the alphabet B? Yes, it is blue. So, for your convenience, you can put number 2. Then C. Yes, after B you can see which is the alphabet. Yes, it is C. Then we have to search for alphabet C. Yes, we got it. C-A-T, cat. So, you can put number 3. And so on. So, this list in alphabetical will, after C, what is there? Yes, D. Can you see with this starting alphabet? Yes, it is deer. So, we got first number apple, then balloon, cat and deer. So, we are going to write these words in proper alphabetical order. The first one we found, that is apple. Second was balloon. So, we wrote here balloon. The third is cat. At the third number we have written cat. And the fourth one is deer. So, in the same sequence, these are only the 4 words I have given you for example. For your clearance, in this way from A to Z, you will have to search for the alphabetical order if the words are more. Okay. Hope you have understood this first example. So, continuing with the one example that I am going to teach today, that is the other example. See, this is example number 2. I hope you have understood the first example. This one is the second. So, what is the difference between first and the second example? We are going to see that also. Let us now look for the another list of words. So, we are going to take some new words, other words rather than the first example. So, example, what I have given the words is mug, mat, monkey, milk. Again, I am going to say it for you. Mug, mat, monkey, milk. So, what the thing you can see in this? Common? Yes. M. See, M is common and it is the first letter of each word. So, first alphabet of each word is M. So, what now we can do? It is same. See, M with all 4 words starting. No. Now, what we have to do? Yes, we have to go for the second alphabet. See, after M you can see U. So, just underline U as well. After M here, what is the second one? A. After M, O. After M, I. So, what you do? You underline both this alphabets. Okay, there are all the words are starting with letter M. Yes, as I told you. Now how to arrange them in ABCD order? So that is a question. How can we arrange if the first letter is same? Then what you have to do, begin with the same letter, we sort them. Sorting is necessary by their second letter. So as I told you, you have to sort with the second letter. So to arrange this list of words, we will look at the second letter. Now what only simple thing we have to do, we have to concentrate on this second place alphabet. Arrange them in, and now that we have to arrange them in ABC order. So just see, underline U, A, O, I. So as in alphabet, you know the starting alphabet for our order, it is A. So underline, see red color I have given here beneath that. So you see A. Yes, we found it, A. So MAT, mat is your first word for your answer. After A, what is there? B. Can you see any B with the red underlined word alphabet? No, we cannot. Then the next is C. Can you see? No. C is also not there. D. No. E. F. G. H. No. I. Yes, we got it. See, you can see here I at the second place. Yes. So, what is the number you are going to give? That is number 2. So, between A to I, we didn't find any alphabet. That is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, these were not there. So, we don't have to write that. We have to take the next. That is I. I, then what comes? J. Can you see? J? No. K? No. L? No. M? M is there, but it is at first place. We are looking for the second place. N? O. Yes, we got O. So, at the second place it is O. So, what we can put this number, it is at number 3. So, what is at number third place? Monkey. O. After O, what is the alphabet? P. Can you see P here? Just you have to look for this word now. Q. R. No. S. No. T. No. U. Yes, we got it. So, you have to give here number 4. So, in this way, we have completed our alphabetical order for this example. Just the same you have to write here, but the order is now changed. This is not a proper order. This is the proper order now. So, what the number we have given for mat will be at first place. Second is your milk. Third one is your word, that is monkey, and fourth is your mug. This is list arranged in ABC order. So, the right answer what you get, it is mat, milk, monkey, mug. So, with these two examples, I think you can understand it more clearly with the alphabetical order. Students, hope you have understood this in a proper way. So, in this way, I have explained you about an alphabetical order. So, in the next period, we are going to start with the exercise what is given in the book on page number 8. Students, I hope most of you have understood, but some students are there who don't understand in fluent English. So, I am going to explain you little bit in Hindi for your reference to this lesson. प्रिय विद्यार्थी, देखिए आगे हम आज जो लेसन पढ़ रहे हैं उसका नाम आपको पता ही है, वो है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यानी क्या, जो हम ABCD लिखते हैं बचपन से सभी ने हमने ABCD सीखी है. ABCD लिखना हमें आता है और पढ़ना भी आता है, पर अभी उसको सही क्रम में लगाना हमें सीखना है. क्रम यानी क्या, A के बाद B, B के बाद C, D, E, ऐसे एक के बाद जो एक अल्फ़ाबेट एक क्रम में होते, उसी क्रम में हमें शब्दों को अरेंज करना है, यानी उसको लिखना होता है. जैसे हमने अभी इसमें मैंने अपने मन से कुछ एग्जाम्पल आपको दिए हैं समझने के लिए. तो जैसे हमने यहाँ पे दिया है एग्जाम्पल जो है, डियर, बलून, एप्पल, कैट. डियर नेम ऑफ एन एनिमल, बलून आपको सबको पता है, गुब्बारा, एप्पल, आप सफरचंद या सेब खाते हैं उसे एप्पल बोलते हैं, कैट तो सभी को पता है बिल्ली होती है। हाँ, सो ये कुछ नाम दिए हैं, तो हमें अभी ये नाम से इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हमें क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इसका पहला जो लेटर है, अल्फ़ाबेट है, वो क्या है। तो हमने क्या किया, फिर डियर के लिए डी के लिए अंडरलाइन कर लिया, बी के नीचे अंडरलाइन कर लिया, ए के नीचे और सी के, क्योंकि ये वर्ड के पहले अल्फ़ाबेट्स है, ये वर्ड के क्या है, पहले अल्फ़ाबेट, और हमें वही अल्फ़ाबेट पे ध्यान देना है। अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हमें ABCD पता है ना, ये आती है, हमें बराबर लिखते हैं। अभी हमें इसको अगर प्रैक्टिस में अगर छूट गई तो प्लीज़ आप नोटबुक में इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए। ABCD लिखने के लिए कुछ बच्चे इसमें भी मिस्टेक करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइटिंग ABCD इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर। हाँ, तो देखिए अभी हमें ये देखना है, अभी सबसे पहले इस अल्फ़ाबेट के हिसाब से क्या आता है, वो है A। ओके, तो आज हमने ये 4 शब्द लिखे हैं, तो इसमें हमें A ढूंढना है। तो यहाँ पे हमें कहाँ मिला, अंडरलाइन वर्ड में ही देखना है, अंडरलाइन अल्फ़ाबेट में, सॉरी अल्फ़ाबेट जो अंडरलाइन कर चुके हैं हम रेड कलर से, उसी को देखना है। यहाँ A है क्या, नहीं, यहाँ है नहीं, यहाँ है, यस, वी गॉट इट, A। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ABC ऑर्डर हमने इसको नंबर 1 दिया। अभी कुछ बच्चे ये भी बोलेंगे, देखिए मैडम ये B के बाद A यहाँ मिला है, C के बाद भी A यहाँ है, पर यहाँ नहीं देखना है, हमें सिर्फ पहला ही अल्फ़ाबेट देखना है, वर्ड का हमें पहला अल्फ़ाबेट, अभी यहाँ हमें सेकंड नंबर पे नहीं देखना है। ओके, सो इसलिए हमने ये अल्फ़ाबेट A का वर्ड स्टार्टिंग वाला लिया है और इसका नंबर 1 दिया है। इसके बाद A के बाद कौन सा आता है अल्फ़ाबेट, वो है B। तो B के लिए हमने अभी देखिए यहाँ पे ढूंढा तो हमको यहाँ B मिल गया, तो बलून की स्टार्टिंग कौन अल्फ़ाबेट से हुई है, वो है B, इसलिए हमने इसे भी अंडरलाइन कर लिया है। तो इसको हमने सेकंड नंबर दिया। फिर हम B के बाद कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट आता है, यस यू कैन सी C। B के बाद कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट हम लिखते हैं, वो C है। इस अनुक्रम में देखिए C कहाँ है, हाँ ये देखिए हमें कैट के इधर पहला अल्फ़ाबेट वर्ड जो मिला है वो है C, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर डाला है, वो है 3 नंबर। अभी हमारा एक ही वर्ड बचा है, वो है डियर। तो इसके C के बाद हमें कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट है यहाँ, D, तो हमें इसमें ढूंढना है D। यस, वी गॉट इट, D एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस, तो इसलिए हमने इसको कहाँ क्या नंबर दिया, नंबर 4। अभी यही हमें क्वेश्चन में हमें ये ऐसा सॉल्व कर लेना, और आंसर हम किस तरह लिखेंगे, तो देखिए जैसे हमने नंबर 1 दिया है तो एप्पल के लिए, तो आंसर में हम सबसे पहले कौन सा वर्ड लिखेंगे, वो है एप्पल। उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे नंबर 2 दिया था बलून के लिए, तो सेम एप्पल के बाद हम क्या लिखेंगे, बलून। उसके बाद 3rd प्लेस पे आता है कैट एंड 4th प्लेस पे आता है डियर। इस तरह आप अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर का सही आंसर ढूंढ के लिख सकते हैं। उम्मीद है आपको ये फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल समझ में आया होगा। अब हम दूसरे एग्जाम्पल की ओर जाते हैं। ये देखिए अभी ये है हमारा दूसरा एग्जाम्पल। तो यहाँ पे हमने कुछ वर्ड्स लिए हैं, मग, मैट, मंकी, मिल्क। अभी सभी इसकी स्टार्टिंग जो फर्स्ट लेटर है अल्फ़ाबेट का, वो कहाँ क्या है, एम है। तो अभी सभी बच्चे बोलेंगे कि मैडम यहाँ तो एम सभी की स्टार्टिंग है, तो हम क्या करें, तो आपको एक ही काम करना है, वर्ड का सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट देखना है। देखिए मैडम ने अभी आपको एम के लिए अंडरलाइन किया है सब जगह, और सेकेंड नंबर पे एम के बाद क्या है, यहाँ यू है, फिर एम के बाद ए है, एम के बाद ओ है, एम के बाद आई है। इस तरह आपको बराबर सेकेंड प्लेस का अल्फ़ाबेट अंडरलाइन करना है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट प्लेस हमारा सभी जगह सेम है, दैट इज एम। ओके, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट सी द अल्फा। अभी आपको बराबर इसी तरह से अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इस सेकेंड प्लेस के अल्फ़ाबेट से करनी है। और इस तरह हमने अगर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से देखा गया, ABCD आती है, तो सबसे पहला हमारा वर्ड आता है वो है मैट, सेकेंड आएगा मिल्क, थर्ड आएगा मंकी, और 4th प्लेस पे आएगा मग, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ लिखा है मैट, मिल्क, मंकी, मग। इस तरह अभी आप अपना एग्जाम्पल हमने सॉल्व करके दिखाया है। अब एक्सप्लेन यू बोथ इन English as well as Hindi. So students, please revise it and see the videos. If you don't understand, 2 to 3 times, so it will be better for your understanding. So in the next period, we are going to start with the exercise, and please complete your exercise daily when you get the proper lesson portion. Okay? Up till then, thank you. Goodbye.